that mane starting to develop. I'd say that that young male is probably about 1.5 years, going on 2 years old. Here comes another one of the lionesses. See how they all follow the lead female. Also all greet the big male. This is also an old lioness here. You having fun yet, guys?
Waiting long enough. Is that like a sign of respect?
It is a sign of respect. Oh, look at this. This poor female's in very bad condition.
Very skinny, isn't
Look
she?
how skinny she is. You can see the spine, the hips. She's in very bad condition. Very old female. He's going to get up any minute, this male. That's a big boy, eh?
Can we follow them?
Yeah, we're definitely following them. Look at the size of his paws, everybody. Look at his front paws when they hit the ground. Now these lions are clearly hungry. You know, we watched that lioness, we saw her listening to something.
Wow.
And that this is where the male comes in handy.
Just watch, guys. Just watch.
Oh my.
You can cry if you want to cry. Don't. This is very, very insane, guys. This is once in a lifetime. I've only seen this now for the 3rd time in my life.
Get out my phone.
How incredibly strong is that buffalo to withstand all of these lions on it?
Read this. That's the end. They're really skinny. Skinny is
So what I want to do, guys, when this buffalo is dead, there's a vehicle that's been circling. You can't get up to the next guys. You can't get better than this. But really, I should be thanked only because my battery is dead. But this is
Well, don't charge it up. Now we're here.
this is not the first time.
What do you
It's
think,
the second time now.
Luis?
The buffalo's
I promise you, you cannot get better than this.
I'm still shaking.
I'm shaking like a leaf and my heart is pounding.
That drive with you was
See how the male is still holding on to the muzzle, still suffocating that buffalo.
some strength in down if it's still alive.
Yeah.
I have 3
I've
minutes.
also got 3 minutes. See, the lions are actually tired now. You see how they're just resting on the back of the buffalo. They're exhausted from what they've just done.
This animal's now gone into shock.
Jeez, this is so real, guys. This is as real as it gets.
Red 6 Sean coming for 82.
Yeah, Sean coming for red. He's been on Instagram's channel.
Stations, I can be getting updates on the front of
Charles.
lines and
See, now they're hungry. Now they want to get in there. And there's definitely dominance amongst the pride as to who gets to sit where when they're feeding. Now, when that male gets up, that male is in charge when it comes to feeding. He gets first prize, first cut. He'll want to probably go and attack the rump. He's just exhausted right now from hanging on to that buffalo, you know, on the face and also trying to suffocate it. But as soon as he regains his energy, he's going to come around and he'll chase the others off.
And what's happened to the one lion?
It's still there, it's dead. She's busy feeding on that calf on her own.
They badly needed that.
Oh, they did. They did.
They were nearly.
And now they've got 2. I mean, they're going to be here for the next 3 days.
Oh wow, that's great for everybody, isn't it? To see.
It is. It's amazing. So,
But guys, we saw it live.
no, I know.
Oh,
It's,
I'm still shaking.
we're actually not allowed to go back and tell everyone what just happened because they're going to just hate their lives.
Yeah.
That's how insane this is. I mean, my brother is going to vomit. I tell him what I've just watched.
The guy's going to cry himself to sleep tonight.
He is.
He is literally
My brother's
gonna
gonna cry.
himself to sleep. He's going to break things in his room.
We show him a video.
Yeah.
Right, but there is a vehicle, guys. There's a vehicle right here.
We also, everybody, we're going to stay here for another 5 minutes, get a couple more pictures, and then we're also going to let some other people get a turn.
Yes,
okay?
yes. We saw it.
Because we've, like Dev says, we've had the best of it.
We've seen it live. It's done. It's done.
Wow.